Hi everyone, welcome to week 2. There's a few things due this week. We don't have as much as we did the first week because we have some time to work on a research paper, but I wanted to go over the things that were due this week so that there's no confusion. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to we were just at the announcements. You need to read the announcements. That gives you an idea of what's due. We're going to go to our week 2. And this is lesson 3 and 4. So lesson 3 is going to be due on Wednesday and lesson 4 is going to be due on Saturday. Here's the questions and conversations. If you have any questions, you can go on here and post them and I'll get back to you. And your peers may have questions about the same thing, so it's nice to post those on there and they can get help as well. Here's the lesson introduction, and then there's a couple readings. There's chapter 3 quiz. There's a little introduction, the career exploration. You're going to take the Campbell Interest and Skill Survey. This is a test that you're going to have to call and get the Career Services and Internship Center to give you a code so that you can log in and take this test. The instructions are on here. So just like all of our other things, there's instructions about how to do things. So here we go. You call here. It costs $14 to take this test, okay? And then they will charge your student account. Okay, it takes a while, and I encourage you to do this early in the week, like Monday, so that if there's a complication, it's not late, okay? So then once you take the test, there's 2 assignments, okay? One is to interpret your survey, okay? That means you go through and follow the grading rubric and include everything in here in order to meet the qualification of this assignment. So you're going to follow this template here and do that assignment. That's interpreting the results, okay? And then there's also an upload of the results. Let's go back to content and see if we can see it there. It might not be. Let's see, I think maybe it's under here. You have to upload your results. I think when you take it. Yes, you submit a digital copy of your survey. Sorry, I couldn't see it in the second one. So you submit the copy, just the results, and then you do the paper on interpreting these results. That's the second one. Okay, so perfect. And then there's decision tree due right after that. The next assignment is decision tree, where you're going to be answering a lot of yes and no questions about careers in psychology. Once you go through this, all I need is a summary paragraph. Right down here, submit a short report that identifies the career or graduate school options you may want to explore. Right here, please do not list all of your yes or no answers. I do not want your yes or no answers. I will give you a 0 and then tell you to go and submit me a short report, which means a paragraph or 2. That's all I want about your insights in this activity, okay? All right, so that is the decision tree. And we're back, and then we're on to lesson 4, which is you working on basically on your research paper. You need to start that because it's worth 350 points. It's a very important paper. There's a couple readings that you have here, but that's it. There's no discussion board this week. There's a few things to do, but the most important thing is to get started on your research paper. Use this time wisely to do that. Okay, if you have any questions, email me or go to the questions and conversations discussion board. Have a great week.